Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're starting an exciting new series where we'll build a complete space shooter game from scratch using Python and Pygame. This is going to be an amazing journey, and by the end of this series, you'll have your very own fully functional space game that you can play and even share with your friends. I have also making Dark Soul Game 2D in Pygame, so if you're interested in future, check it out. In this first tutorial, we're going to cover the absolute basics. We'll set up our game window, create our player's spaceship, and implement smooth movement controls. Don't worry if you're completely new to game development. I'll explain everything step by step, and you can code along with me. Before we start coding, make sure you have Python installed on your computer, and you'll also need to install Pygame. If you haven't done that yet, simply open your command prompt or terminal and type pip install Pygame. Once that's installed, grab your favorite code editor, and let's dive into creating our first game together.